baby and mommy. Eric Carle wrote Seahorse. And Silverstein wrote The Apple Tree.
Who wrote The Very Hungry Caterpillar?
This fine story did good.
Who wrote The Very Hungry Caterpillar? Ryan.
Eric Carle.
What did Dr. Seuss write?
Dr. Seuss wrote Blueberries for Sale.
No, who wrote Blueberries for Sal? Who wrote that?
Robert McCloskey.
What books did Dr. Seuss write? Just give me some names, come on. Come on, look at Mama. Ryan, look at me. Ryan. Hey. Ryan. I'm asking you something. What did Dr. Seuss write? Ryan, you wanna pause?
No.
You wanna read first? Okay, now let's do it.
I'll read first.